So we're here on the Charge Media elk hunt. We're here to obviously hunt elk, but abuse our products and field test them and see how they perform in tough situations here in Montana.
This is my first ever elk hunt, and to do it in a wall tent up in the mountains of Montana has been pretty amazing.
Showed up to camp here, 2 feet of snow. It was pretty cool because I've never been able to do this before.
When I had the opportunity to come after an elk, it was top of the pile for North American animals, and coming to Montana and 6,500 feet to chase them down, it's been a lot of fun.
Morning. Morning. Ready to roll?
Morning.
Let's go.
Let's do this.
What I hope to experience, it's like everybody, just to get an elk down. I wasn't too optimistic after hearing friends and others spend a lot of time in the field to get nothing.
We've been waking up early, staying out late. We've been putting our work in, going up and down, and it's been pretty difficult. They're all herded together, and it's been a challenge, but we've been having a blast doing it.
The hunting was awesome in Montana, the big open skies, beautiful sunrises. Had a lot of snow we had to walk through and get to where the elk were, but we saw them every day, and it was cool to see them. My first ever elk hunt, I had my 5x5 bull on the ground. Besides a couple 100 pounds of meat, I'm taking away some new contacts, some new friends, just a lot of senses that got hit that haven't normally been exposed to out here.
Thanks, Rich. You bet. And Mike and the guys will be up here a little bit with the packs, and we'll get them out of here.
We've been able to collaborate with a bunch of outdoor groups here. Kind of brought us together, and we've been really getting along, staying in the tents together, been hunting together, been having some experiences of a lifetime that we won't forget for sure.
It's been nice to be outside of the business setting and test out our products, test out each other's products, and just make some friends.
Well, we had a blast out here in Montana this week. It was awesome because I got to spend some time with people that we normally do business with. And this week wasn't about business. This week was really about getting after some elk, chasing them down, challenging ourselves. I can't wait to be in camp with them one more time.